Welcome back to another video, guys. TechLift here. Today I'm going to be going over my updated 2023 everyday carry EDC. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright guys, so as you guys know, I did a quick little end of the year everyday carry EDC, including tech, just everything I carry basically with me at any given time, whether I'm just running out to the store, whether I'm going to the gym, whether I'm going, on a trip, whatever. This is basically the essentials that I carry with me every single day. So with that being said, Apple has come out with two iPhones since I bought my OG iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm still rocking this thing. Honestly, the 14 Pro Max, which I did have, I had the purple version, didn't really tickle my fancy all that much. Like the photos on the 12 Pro Max, the videos, the stabilization, literally everything on this does the job and more. Up until this point, it's 2023 and this thing is not going anywhere literally until it probably breaks, knock on wood, or 4 or 5 years go by, because previous to this I had an iPhone 8 Plus and everyone would always comment on like my videos, my photos, and we were already up to like the iPhone 12 and people were still saying like, whoa, what are you using? I was using the iPhone 8 Plus. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max was a huge major upgrade for me. All the features and stuff that it offered were worth it for me at the time. So this is what I'm rocking. The beautiful device, chromed out, white. Again, video, high storage for content creation and everything. I'm rocking this like matte greenish silicone case, super cool. Moving on to my wrist, you guys have seen the unboxing and I've probably seen it in a couple other videos. This is the Apple Watch Ultra. This is my first ever smartwatch device. I got it because I got rid of my Whoop Band 4.0. I got sick and tired of paying $30 a month for it, and this thing was kind of the middle ground between a Garmin, which I've been looking at Garmin's for like a year and a half. I just didn't want like this huge big clunky thing on my wrist, and honestly, I'm not like a triathlon guy, I'm not a marathon guy, and I just didn't want to be classified as like, oh, you're this, I don't know. Like if you see someone with a Garmin, they're like a hiker or they're crazy into like triathlons and whatnot, and I'm just not like that. It doesn't even look that cool either. Honestly, the Apple Watches just weren't my deal. The Samsung Galaxy Watches, just never been a smartwatch guy. Like I don't want more distractions on my wrist. This has been the middle ground between a Whoop and a Garmin. It looks freaking cool. It's sleek, it's rugged, it's still kind of modern, and it has all the analytics for fitness that I crave, recovery, sleep, etc. It has multiple different uses for lifestyle as well, which was another big selling point. Like whenever I'm not like fitnessing or like gonna have like a crazy active day, I have different screens. Like this is like my outdoorsy type of screen here in the orange. This is like my sleep time face. This is like another super outdoorsy one, which like is the advertised face of the watch, and then this is just like an everyday face. It has like the weather, the battery life, etc. And honestly, this thing just matches my lifestyle. It's been awesome with the time that I've been paying the $30 a month with the Whoop, which basically I got like a year free. Everyone, using my referral link. Honestly, I could have had one of these or probably another one of these by then. So that's why I decided to go to the Apple Watch Ultra. Super awesome. I'm loving it. I've had it for about 3 months now. No regrets. I honestly feel like I'm wearing like a super fancy piece of technology on my wrist sometimes, and I'm like, oh, I gotta be careful. But this thing is so rugged, like it's super well built. Anyways, this is no review video. Apple Watch Ultra is what I'm rocking on the wrist when I'm not fitnessing or just at home. On the weekend, I like to wear normal watches. I've been rocking a Movement Raptor lately. I kind of like the bigger face type of watches. If I'm going to like church or an event such as like a wedding, something kind of formal, I'm rocking more of a small faced, very sleek, minimal watch. Definitely not rocking a freaking Apple Watch or any smart device to like formal or just out and about events. Honestly, the Apple Watch is only for being active, whether I'm hiking, running, mountain biking, or just kind of chilling around the house. This is what I'm rocking. Other than that, it's back to the normal classic watches, which I'm a huge fan of. Moving on to the pockets. Right now I'm carrying this Gerber Swagger knife. Super cool knife. Just carrying it for miscellaneous types of things. Honestly, there's so many times when you need to open a box, a package, or you're kind of fidgeting with something, you need a knife. This thing stays on my pocket at all times, whether I'm going out and about, on a run, a hike, whatever, even just around the house, just because I always need something like that. So the Gerber Swagger, awesome knife. I've had it for maybe like 6-ish months or so. Honestly, love it. Sharp. It looks cool. Super minimal. The little clip is good. It's Gerber. It's high quality. You're getting a good product, especially because they come with like little warranties. So yeah, that's what I'm rocking. And again, as a tech channel, we're always fidgeting with boxes, screws, and, camera equipment and whatnot. It just comes in handy. Highly recommend it. Gerber Swagger. The other pocket, I'm rocking this little Streamlight Streamlight micro stream USB flashlight, so a little USB charger is right there. I got the tan and black version. I didn't want just a basic black little flashlight, but this flashlight is freaking awesome, guys. Super sleek, super minimal. Again, the clip there for the pocket, and then up top you have a clip for like a headlamp, so you can throw it on your hat. I've actually done this at the car wash. I went super late one night at like a manual self-serve car wash, threw it in my hood, and I was just like washing the car. Highly recommend this light. Not too pricey, not on the cheap side either, and this thing is really, really well built. Full metal construction. The button is like nice and grippy and rugged. Has 2 modes, light and like not super bright. Honestly, highly recommend it. Streamlight. So the next piece is going to be my glasses. So I've been rocking these tortoise shell glasses from Amazon. I was rocking the electric Knoxvilles for a while beforehand, just as a daily, as being active, you know, running, mountain biking. And one day, after probably 5 years, I lost them on the mountain bike trail and recovered them. And then I lost them again on the mountain bike trail. And that time I couldn't find them again. Luckily, you know, the first time someone had put them in the lost and found box at the, you know, trailhead entrance. And then the second time I lost them, I just didn't ever get them back. And I was very sad, but I also didn't want to drop like another $150 on glasses. Went on Amazon, looked up these glasses, just tortoise shell, whatever. These are like metal construction, super high quality. They look really nice, like looking out, like they really block the sun, and the color you get isn't like a trippy color. It's like classic tortoise shell. And for like the 10-15 bucks that I paid for them, I'm ordering another 2 pairs just to have for future, because I'm not even dailying these glasses. These are like daily, like if I'm out in my car or like going on a trip or going somewhere, I'm not running in these, I'm not hiking in these, because they're that nice, even though they're only $15. No way, Jose, that's not what I'm doing. These glasses are nice, they're quality, and they're super, super underpriced. I'm telling you that right now. Like, these glasses are insane. I'm putting you guys on. The glasses that I'm dailying for hiking, for running, etc. are these bad boys. These are another Amazon pickup for like 10-15 bucks. They're like polarized. They have like grips here, which are perfect for like running, mountain biking. They stay on your face. And honestly, they're pretty much just like windshields. Like when I'm running, these things are blocking the wind. They're blocking like the snow, the ice, the rain. I do run in, you know, the crazy conditions, and they're awesome. They're pretty much like a windshield for your face. Highly recommend those. Those were like 10-15 bucks. Got them for a bachelor party. Lost a pair at a different bachelor party, and I had to buy these again. So highly recommend these. I'm gonna order another pair. When you find something that you like, honestly, I recommend ordering 2 to 3 same pairs of that. Up next is my wallet. So the wallet I've been dailying for, you know, the past 3-4 months, since honestly November, December, has been the Ekster brand wallets. I've been rocking the carbon fiber, and I also rocked the like leather folio looking one. And honestly, these wallets are insane. Like full metal construction on some of them, the carbon fiber ones at least. Full metal black plate, 6 cards in the little button pushy thing. 6 cards back here, money holder up here. Like, the quality on these wallets is insane, guys. If you guys want, go ahead and pick one up. There's going to be a link in the description or in the comment section. You guys are going to be able to get a discount using my link or my code, details below. But huge shout out to Ekster for hooking me up and sending me a couple wallets. And like I said, just because they sent me wallets doesn't mean I'm going to recommend them or I'm going to be using them. I use things that I like. I recommend things that I use every single day. And I'm one of those people that when I buy something, I use it a lot. Everything I own, I pretty much use it a lot regularly. And these wallets, I've been using them every single day. This is my favorite one so far, the carbon fiber one. I do have another one that you guys probably see in the B-roll, but these wallets I highly recommend, guys. Ladies, get them for your mans. All you guys out there, gift them to yourself. You won't regret it. Super high quality construction, super minimal, sleek, modern, rugged, depending on the color you get. Different types of styles. You can even get like a little tracker in here. There's even an AirTag tracker that you can get on your wallet. Highly recommend this product, guys, and this is what I've been dailying for my wallet every single day. I always have it on me when I'm out and about. I do use Apple Pay a lot. Again, back to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but the wallet stays in my pocket for my ID, for Costco memberships, things like that. So that's what I've been doing. Up next is the keys. So these are just my car keys. I wanted to show these because obviously I carry them every day, but there's also like a few different little tools and gadgets on here. So first off, I got like a really sturdy heavy duty keychain, and that is like a Red Bull racing keychain. This keychain was like 15 bucks. The heck, how are you spending that on a keychain? This keychain is super rugged. It's repping my favorite Formula 1 team, Red Bull Racing. And again, just a nice quality keychain, so I can throw on things onto this keychain. They're not gonna get lost, especially my big old, you know, fat boy key. Next to that is this Gerber multi-tool. I'm not sure what exactly it's called. It's not the Gerber shard, it's like the other one, but it has a bottle opener, it has like a prying tool, it has a little screwdriver on here, it has all sorts of gadgets and things. It is airport security safe, so you can take this TSA no problem. This always comes in handy. And next to that, I just have a key, and basically that's my car keys. That's basically everything that I carry on a day-to-day basis. But yeah, that's basically everything that I've been carrying for the end of 2022, all of the first quarter of 2023, and most likely going to be going into summer. I think I'll switch it up in fall/winter of 2023. I don't even want to think about that yet, just because I had snow last week and I'm ready for spring, summer now. So yeah, that's what I'm rocking, guys. I hope it inspired you. Anything that I mentioned in this video is going to be linked in the description, guys. If you guys are new here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Tech and lifestyle videos. Thank you guys so much for supporting. That's going to go ahead and do it for this week's video. Again, a huge shout out to Ekster wallets. Go ahead and pick one up using the link in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Tech Lift out.